This is the mockingbird known as the cactus killer, and it carries the cactus's worst nightmare on its rear end. The mockingbird lands on the cactus and, in the most natural way possible, leaves Tristerix seeds behind. The seeds slide down between the spines and use their tendrils to grab onto the nearest surface, but they wait for night to attack. At night, the cactus opens its pores so it can breathe. But carbon dioxide isn't the only thing going in. The uninvited guest slips in through those pores too, and starts feeding on the water the cactus has stored, eating it from the inside. A year later, it breaks through the cactus and blooms in bright, striking colors. Then birds pollinate those flowers, turning them into white fruits that target new cacti. And the one that comes to eat those fruits and start the cycle again is